What's up everybody, it's your boy Kato back again with another video. On today's video we have an exciting one because we are installing new exhaust on the BRZ, and this is the first time I'm doing a single exit exhaust. So we're switching from the dual exit to a single exit, which at first I wasn't really liking because I know we're gonna have one hole open, but I was like, shoot, what the hell, let's just give it a try, see how it comes out. And this is the MBRP, I think that's the name of it. It's the single exit 3-inch exhaust. So let's go ahead and install it. Let's hear how it sounds. All right, guys, here it is. Here's the exhaust right here. So it's pretty much a resonator delete with just a muffler. So we're gonna see how it sounds. Hopefully it sounds good. So go ahead and jack up your car. And then first things first, we're gonna unbolt this right here. Not sure if you guys can see. We're gonna unbolt this, and we're gonna go in more and then unbolt it from where it goes to the front pipe. Alright, so I went ahead and took the muffler off. I used some PB blaster on the hangers and they slipped right out. So now there's one more hanger down here, as you can see right there, and then two more bolts down there just to release this whole pipe right here. As you can see, here are the two bolts right here. I believe they're still 14 millimeter, just like the front. So it's just a 14 here, and then the back one is a 12 millimeter. So now we got the first part of the exhaust. This is gonna go straight into the front pipe. So let's go ahead and bolt that one in, and then we'll throw the, before we bolt it in fully, we'll just loosely put the second part on. That's gonna hold it with the hanger. So let's get to it. All right, so just like that, put the hanger on. I connected this one. I didn't bolt it in, it's on there loosely. Now I'm going to throw those bolts in, and I can actually tighten that one up. And then, yeah, and then we'll throw the rest of it on. So I went ahead and threw the last part on. I bolted everything up, tightened it. Now I just have to put the tip on the way I want it, and we should be all set. We can hear how it sounds. So I went ahead and set it up with the logo right there. But yeah, that looks pretty good. Let's hear how it sounds. Alright guys, I hope you like the new exhaust. It sounds so good. We are going to throw a front pipe in soon, catless, and it's going to sound even louder and even better. There is some drone, but hey, that comes with the exhaust. There's very few exhausts that have no drone, and those are the really expensive ones. So I'm happy with it, so can't wait to throw the front pipe on. Yeah, that's pretty much it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe, do all that good stuff. And yeah, spread love, not hate. Peace out, guys.